This application is designed for automatic testing of Excel macros. It allows you to check how your VBA macros work in an xlsm file by simulating user interaction and checking the results. What the application does. Controls. Excel launches Excel in the background and opens the file you specify with macros enabled. Simulates user interaction, for example, displays a user form, enters data into a text field in this form, clicks a button in the form, checks the results. After running the macro, the application reads the value from a specific Excel cell, for example, A1, and compares it with the expected result. This ensures that your macro has performed its tasks correctly. Generates a report. All test results, successes or failures as well as entered and received values, are recorded in a text report file. Opens the report. After completing all tests, the application automatically attempts to open the generated report for your convenience. Example of use. The application is configured to run 3 test scenarios. Enter the number 123 in the text field of the form and expect 123 in cell A1. Enter the number 123.0 in the text field of the form and expect 123.0 in cell A1. Entering the text in the form's text field and expecting error in cell A1, which means that your macro treats the text input as an error or converts it accordingly. The code for this application is not provided free of charge. Please contact us at t.me/Dmitry Dronov.